If you're considering a temporary solution for a chipped, missing, or broken tooth, you may have come across the 30 ml tooth repair kit available on Amazon. With a 3.6 out of 5-star rating from 49 customer reviews, many shoppers are curious. Is this moldable false teeth kit legit, or just another scam? What is the moldable teeth repair kit? This DIY kit uses thermal fitting beads made of eco-friendly polymer plastic. These beads soften in hot water and can be molded to fill in gaps or create a temporary replacement for a missing tooth. It's marketed as a quick, easy, and affordable alternative to expensive dental visits. How it works? The process is pretty straightforward. Heat the beads in boiling water. Stir and mold them like putty once they become translucent. Shape the material to fit the missing tooth space. Let it cool and harden into place. You can even use fine sandpaper to smooth out any fingerprints. Customer feedback on Amazon. Most customers agree that the kit is a decent temporary solution, especially for emergencies or special occasions. People appreciate its low cost and ease of use. One buyer mentioned using it before a job interview to boost their confidence. Another said it worked surprisingly well after a few practice tries. However, some reviewers noted that it's not a permanent fix and doesn't replace professional dental care. A few found the molding process tricky at first, and others wished the material were more durable. It's important to carefully follow the instructions to get the best results. Pros: affordable DIY alternative. Works for various dental issues. Gaps, chips, missing teeth. Safe, odorless material. Reusable with practice. Cons: temporary only, not a long-term solution. Takes a few. Tries to get it right. Not suitable for children or those with allergies to the material. Final verdict: is it a scam? No, the Moldable False Teeth Kit is not a scam. While it's not a substitute for real dental care, it does exactly what it claims when used correctly. It's a solid short-term fix for those needing a quick cosmetic solution. Just manage your expectations and always consult a dentist for long-term concerns.